Hello everyone. I just wanted to do update about the market overall on the higher time frame. So we are now looking at BTC on the daily. So I have been sharing this post a lot of time, as I also have this pinned on my Twitter account. And to be honest, in my opinion, we should have tapped here, right? So I also shared that one a few days ago. But if I have to look on the 4-hour chart, then I have some other perspective on BTC, right? So if you look at this chart here, we can see this low here has been swept. So this low here has been swept here. So all the longs here, all the longs that people have been building here on the way up, they all had the stops here lower. So all the people, they got swept out. That's always, of mostly of the time, that's a more bullish sign that the liquidity has been taking. And if I just have to look at this chart, is I'm just willing to look for swing longs, right? Maybe doesn't sound very a great idea, as a lot of people tend to be bearish on Twitter and sharing the 10k BTC charts and so on. But just looking at this, after we swept this here, we have here a golden pocket here, and also here a big imbalance that also lines up with this low here. So my idea is, if we can get this low to around this level here, or maybe here, but I would mostly be interested in a level right here, right? And then maybe to this low here, just to make sure, and then something like this, right? So because we have here also some wicks that aren't swept till now. So I think people getting too bearish on this structure here is a good chance for the market makers to build the longs here and to push it here, as people have all the shorts stop losses maybe around here or this here, right? So okay, right, that's just, even though it doesn't completely lines up with my chart, I have been using a lot of times here. If you go till 28, right? So we make here also on a macro a double top, but I think then this channel would be invalidated a little. I think doesn't line up completely with my analysis, but if I just had to look on the 4-hour, I just personally can't be that bearish just right now. And what would be my invalidation for my bullish case, or my bullish thoughts I have, would be to start trading below this here, right? So trading below this and having trouble to get above this low here, that's definitely a weak, a bad sign, or the market is showing then weaknesses, right? So that's in that case, the bullish idea I have just talked about would be invalidated. And we have also the same on ETH as on the same as we look on the chart on the 4 hour. So also the low here has been swept, and then we actually came back to the imbalance. We tapped it twice. This low got also swept, so all the longest here, they got kicked out, and now we are actually going higher. But I'm not sure if we will get the chance to long this again, as the alts, ETH and also showing pretty much a lot of straight, right? So I'm just looking it. I would like to long it to this wick here, or maybe a bearish retest to this here. But for now, just looking at it, if we can get a retrace, or maybe get this low here, I would definitely be interested in swing long on ETH, and again with invalidation below this here, right? And the same on a lot of alts I have been looking, but I will share when the market allows that. But let us also look at DXY, or the dollar index. A lot of people are I will hide this one here. Okay, so a lot of people say we have broken out on this high here, and we can look a lot of higher. But in my humble opinion, if it all depends what we do here, right? So I have to agree, we are now on a resistance, and if we can reclaim this here, right? We can reclaim, we definitely going to consolidate here. But if we can hold this and we go higher, then okay, then the BTC swing longs would be invalidated, right? But in my opinion is, if we can't hold this here, so we swept this high here, we go below it, we consolidate here below, we can't get above it, then there's a good chance that we see that the market, crypto market, and the other markets go higher, right? So because the dollar had a very good time till now, it pushed it constantly without really pullbacks. So I think it just needs to cool down a little, maybe to this level here, right? So just if I look at my ideas, like BTC, looking on the 4 hour pretty bullish, and the DXY or the dollar maybe make a deviation here. Okay, why isn't it working? Let's try again. Okay, so I have been talking a lot of, okay, nah, I think I am having some problems with my internet, and that's why it's lagging. Okay, now it is here. So what I was talking just a few seconds ago, so we get here deviation, and then we lose it this level and we go lower, right? So that's just my idea, but we have definitely to look at the reaction we get here, right? So hope you all are updated, and let me know if you like videos like this, where I update the overall market. And see you soon.